In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make the light procedurally in Blender. Without wasting time, let's get started. First of all, take a new one and remove this principal BSDF. Okay, we don't need this one. Okay, let's take a side and take a mix shader. Yes, take a one mix shader and connect this shader with the surface. Now we take a two nodes. One is emission and second one is the refraction BSDF. Refraction BSDF. Okay, yes. And connect this one, the emission in the lower one and BSDF the upper one, right? Connect this one like this. And strand little bit down. Okay. And this one should be sharp and this one okay. Now I take three color ramp for coloring. One, shift D copy, yes, and put it aside. And let's take one more thing here, which is a math node, and second one is, yeah, one is math node, and change this into the power. Let's take aside this one, and second was take a mixture, right, and change it to the color. Yes, and change this next to the add one. Okay, now connect this result to the base one. Okay, and the exponent should be a little bit increase about 1.5 or 1.6. Yes. Okay, now one thing I want to change here, which is the color. Let's first connect this emission to this one. Okay, yes. And now I take to change the color of this one. This should be changed to P spline. Take another one and change it to little bit like a pink. Okay, and it should be black. Okay, yeah, here is two black now, and put this one close to this one. Okay, yes. This one should be like here. This is in center, and this one is here like this one. Okay. Okay, sorry, I changed it to material preview for the and connect this one, this color ramp to the refraction BSDF color one. Okay, and this power to this IOR. Here is one power. Okay, now I also change a little bit here. For the clamp factor is okay. This factor should be 4, and this color ramp is connected with this A value. Okay. Now I change this one also. Second one should be B spline RGB. Okay, and here is a little bit forward this one and change the color to the pink one, like this one. Randomly take the color and move this little bit close to this one. Okay, now I take two more nodes, which is layer weight. Yeah, one is for this one, and shift D copy this one, and one is for this one. Now connect the facing to the factor, this one, and the same thing, I should do here the facing to this vector, facing to the sorry, facing facing to this vector. Okay, and increase a little bit blending, right? For example, now check the here according to your knee line 8 point. I think here this one is okay, and here should be a little bit same value. I think 0.8 or zero point 0.9. Okay, no problem. Okay, let's change the color. I think flip this one. Yes, yes, it's okay, and it should be the ease RGB. Okay, yeah, here. I think I should remove this one, mix shader, and I take a add node, add shader. Yeah, and I think delete this one and connect this emission to this one to this one, and this to this. Yes, now it look better. I think I should be more close to this one, and I think I change this to the render preview. If I check the render of this one, play with the little bit emission for the darkness, right, for the emission light, and change the blending options of the layer with blending values. Play with the blending values so you will get better. Okay, yeah, this is completely. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and like this video.